Greetings, English learners. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the intricate world of verb tenses. Have no fear. By the end of this episode, you'll have a firm grasp on the past, present, and future tenses, ready to enhance your communication skills. 1. Simple present, past, and future tenses. Simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to describe actions that are habitual, factual, or generally true. It is formed by using the base form of the verb. For example, go, eat, sleep, with the addition of s or s for third-person singular subjects, he, she, it. Examples are, I play soccer every Saturday. She eats breakfast at 7 a.m. every day. They live in New York City. Simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to describe actions that occurred and were completed in the past. Regular verbs form the past tense by adding ed to the base form of the verb, for example, walked, talked, played. Irregular verbs have unique past tense forms that do not follow a specific pattern, for example, went, ate, saw. Examples are, I walked to school yesterday. She cooked dinner last night. They visited their grandparents last weekend. Simple future tense. The simple future tense is used to describe actions that will occur in the future. It is often formed using the auxiliary verb will, followed by the base form of the main verb. The simple future tense can also be formed using be going to, followed by the base form of the main verb to express intentions or plans. Examples: I will travel to Japan next month. She will finish her project by Friday. They are going to have a party next weekend. In summary, the simple present, past, and future tenses are used to express actions or events in relation to the present, past, and future respectively, with each tense serving a distinct purpose based on the timing of the action. Simple present, I walk to school every day. Simple past, she cooked dinner last night. Simple future, we will visit Paris next summer. 2. Present, perfect and past perfect tenses. The present perfect and past perfect tenses are verb forms used to indicate actions that have a connection to the present or past respectively. Let's break down each tense. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to describe actions that occurred at an indefinite time in the past, but have relevance or implications for the present moment. It is formed using the auxiliary verb have, in its appropriate form, have-has, followed by the past participle of the main verb. Examples: I have finished my homework. The action of finishing homework happened at some unspecified time in the past, but it is relevant to the present moment. She has lived in Paris for 5 years. The action of living in Paris started in the past and continues up to the present. Past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to describe actions that occurred before another action or point in the past. It is formed using the past tense of the auxiliary verb have, had, followed by the past participle of the main verb. Examples: I had already eaten breakfast when you called. The action of eating breakfast occurred before the action of receiving the call. She had finished her work before the meeting started. The action of finishing work occurred before the meeting began. In summary, The present perfect tense highlights the connection between past actions and the present moment, while the past perfect tense is used to establish the sequence of past events, indicating which action occurred before another action or point in the past. Both tenses help provide clarity and context in describing past actions or events. Present perfect. I have finished my homework. Past perfect. She had already left when I arrived. 3. Continuous tenses. Continuous tenses, also known as progressive tenses, are used to describe actions that are ongoing or in progress at a specific time. There are 3 main continuous tenses in English: present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are happening at the moment of speaking or around the present time. It is formed using the present tense of the verb to be, followed by the present participle, verb plus ing. Examples: I am studying for my exam right now. She is watching TV at the moment. They are playing soccer in the park. Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to describe actions that were ongoing or in progress at a specific time in the past. It is formed using the past tense of the verb to be, was, were, followed by the present participle, verb plus ing. Examples: I was studying when you called last night. She was cooking dinner while he was watching TV. They were playing soccer when it started raining. Future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used to describe actions that will be ongoing or in progress at a specific time in the future. It is formed using the future tense of the verb to be, will be, followed by the present participle, verb plus ing. Examples: I will be studying for my exam at 8 p.m. tomorrow. She will be working on the project during the meeting next week. They will be traveling to Europe this time next year. Continuous tenses are used to convey actions that are happening, were happening, or will be happening over a period of time, providing a sense of ongoing activity or progress. They are essential for describing dynamic situations and adding detail to narratives or descriptions. Present continuous. They are studying for their exams. Past continuous. I was watching TV when you called. Future continuous. She will be sleeping when we arrive. 4. Perfect continuous tenses. Perfect continuous tenses, also known as perfect progressive tenses, combine aspects of both perfect and continuous tenses. They are used to describe actions that started in the past, continue into the present or future, and may still be ongoing. There are 3 main perfect continuous tenses in English: present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is used to describe actions that started in the past and are still ongoing, emphasizing the duration or continuity of the action up to the present moment. It is formed using the present perfect tense of the verb to have has, followed by been and the present participle, verb plus ing. Examples: I have been studying for 2 hours. I started studying 2 hours ago and I'm still studying. She has been working here since last year. She started working here last year and she is still working here. They have been waiting for you for ages. They started waiting for you some time ago and they are still waiting. Past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is used to describe actions that were ongoing over a period of time before another point in the past. It is formed using the past perfect tense of the verb to have, had, followed by been and the present participle, verb plus ing. Examples: I had been studying for 2 hours when you called. I was studying for 2 hours before you called. She had been working at the company for 10 years before she got promoted. She was working at the company for 10 years before she got promoted. They had been waiting for over an hour when the bus finally arrived. They were waiting for over an hour before the bus arrived. Future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense is used to describe actions that will be ongoing over a period of time before another point in the future. It is formed using the future perfect tense of the verb to have, will have, followed by been and the present participle, verb plus ing. Examples: I will have been studying for 2 hours by the time you arrive. I will start studying before you arrive, and I will still be studying when you arrive. She will have been working here for 5 years next month. She will start working here for 5 years next month, and she will still be working here at that time. They will have been waiting for you for an hour when the meeting starts. They will start waiting for you before the meeting starts, and they will still be waiting when the meeting starts. Perfect continuous tenses emphasize the ongoing nature of actions that started in the past and continue into the present or future, providing a sense of duration or continuity. They are particularly useful for describing actions that have been happening for a period of time or will be happening over a period of time in relation to specific points in time. Present perfect continuous. He has been working here for 5 years. Past perfect continuous. She had been waiting for over an hour. Future perfect continuous. By next month, they will have been living in their new house for a year. Here's an exercise with questions and answers on verb tenses. Exercise 1. Choose the correct verb tense for each sentence. A. She is, was, will be, studying for her exam tomorrow. She is studying for her exam tomorrow. B. They have, had, will have, been living in that house for 5 years. They have been living in that house for 5 years. C. We go, went, will go to the beach every summer. We will go to the beach every summer. D. He is, was, will be playing basketball with his friends this evening. He will be playing basketball with his friends this evening. E. I have, had, will have finished my project by the end of the week. I will have finished my project by the end of the week. 2. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate verb tense. A. By the time he arrives, we already start the meeting. B. They travel around Europe last summer. C. She read the book before she watched the movie. D. We wait for the bus for 30 minutes. Three. Rewrite the sentence using the specified verb tense. A. Present continuous. She writes a letter. She is writing a letter. B. Past perfect. I finish my homework before dinner. I had finished my homework before dinner. C. Future simple. They walk to school every day. They will walk to school every day. Choose the correct verb tense for each sentence. A. They have, had, will have been waiting for over an hour. B. She plays, played, will play the piano when she was younger. C. We will be, are, were going to the concert tonight. D. He has been, is, will be studying for his exams all week. Four. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate verb tense. A. By this time next year, they graduate from university. B. The train leave the station at 8 p.m. C. She worked at the company for 10 years before she got promoted. D. By the time I arrived, already finished eating dinner. The simple present, past, and future tenses are used to express actions or events in relation to the present, past, and future respectively, with each tense serving a distinct purpose based on the timing of the action. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated through the maze of verb tenses. Remember, practice is key to mastering them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel for more English learning insights. Until next time.